In this video, we will discuss about difference between computer and human. Computer works very fast. Human brain cannot work as fast as a computer. A computer can remember many things because it has a good memory. It never forgets the things that are stored in it. Human brain can also remember many things, but sometimes he forgets the things which are stores in his mind. Computer has no feelings and emotions. Computer brain has feelings and emotions. A computer does not make any mistake. Human brain can make mistakes. Computer is fully command-based. Human brain is not command-based. Computer does not need rest after work. Human brain need rest after work. Computers need electricity to work. Human brain does not need electricity to work. Computer cannot take its own decision. Human brain can take their own decision. A computer does not get tired. Human get tired. Computer stored information in numeric and symbolic form. Human brain stored information as electrochemical and electric impulses. The backup system in computer is manually constructed. Human brain has a built-in backup system. A computer can do the same work again and again and it never gets bored. Human brain gets bored doing the same work again and again.